Shane with Prepper Talk Radio here. Just wanted to give you my thoughts on GMRS in particular, as well as this particular Baofeng radio, the G11S. I've been a ham radio guy for a lot of years, and most of those years I haven't done much with ham radio at all. You know, I've got a mobile rig, I've got handhelds, and I've been working to create a family emergency preparedness or emergency communication plan and trying to implement ham radio into that plan. But I've just had a lot of resistance with family members not wanting to spend the time or the money to get their ham radio call sign, their license, FCC license, or purchase expensive equipment and then not use it, which I totally understand, purchasing something and then not using it, right? So with GMRS, it gives us, I wouldn't say the best of both worlds, but it gives great features from the ham radio world, but the simplicity of the FRS radios. So it's kind of a nice little medium place in the middle to meet. Some additional distance and wattage in transmitting, more power, but without all of the complexity of ham radio. You do need a FCC family license, so you don't have to have there's no testing like with ham radio or individual call signs like with ham radio. So my family emergency communication plan is beginning now to take shape, that we have the GMRS available to us now. Additionally, I purchased a couple of these radios and been very happy with them so far. We have some remote property where we use them, and then also just for camping in particular. Talking from shore to kayak, or from campsite to wherever we might be fishing around the lake, has worked really nicely on these radios. Very clear, get a lot of distance out of them, especially compared to the smaller FRS radios. So if you're looking for something to communicate at the campsite in the mountains where you don't have cell phone signal, vehicle to vehicle, where there's, again, no cell phone service, I've been very happy with this particular radio so far, and GMRS. And, you know, like I say, being a ham radio guy for many years, this is a nice little niche to fill, to include my family in our emergency plans, as well as just our fun plans. So I would say check this out. I know they have a lot of other models as well, which I'm just not familiar with, but I've been very happy with this radio so far.